Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to cover this Vitiligo white patch skin. So as you can see in this image, we are covering this up with the skin color, natural skin tone. So as you can see, we started the process and the process is more smooth and better. We are matching and matching with the exact skin tone. As you can see, it's matching it perfectly. We have started doing the second patch. The first patch you can't even identify where it was done. That much smoother it was done. There was no bleeding, there was no much of a swelling, and the process was very much smoother. And many of them ask us what's our contact number. We have attached our contact number in the description as well as in the title. So please do check it out. Our team will be helpful for you to understand about the process. So there is a small little bleeding and the swelling will be there, but at the end of the process it will be start to become normal. Basically swelling will take another 2 to 3 days to get normal. So I'm just matching with a little darker tone on the top. That's why, because his tone on the top portions are a little darker inside, so I'm just matching it with a little darker tone. So it's a third patch we are doing it now, and it's coming so superbly matching it. And many of them think it's just a tattoo, so every tattoo studios people can able to do it. It's not. It requires a special skill. Not every tattoo artist can able to do it. It requires a special skin to match your exact skin tone. There are millions of colors. People who have that speciality, they can be able to do it. That's why it's so special about it. So in India, we are the only people doing it with this micropigmentation technique, and we are using a organic vegan certified ink. There is no other people doing with this technique in all over India. We are the only people are doing it. So don't get confused with other normal local studios, skin colors and this, that and this is completely different. If you guys have any more doubt, please do contact us. As I mentioned earlier, our contact number is there in the description as well as in the title. Our team can be help you out. So if you guys have any more doubts, please do comment us. Our team will be help you out, and we are almost at the end of the process. I'm going to signing off. I'm Suresh Machu. I'll leave you the music tones behind. We'll meet up on the next video. Don't die nude.